Selling a home as is. What does that mean? Selling a home as is means that you're selling the property in its current state. The seller is in no obligation to make any repairs that may be found by the buyer's home inspector during the inspection period. Selling a home as is does not relieve this home seller from making the legal requirement to disclose any latent defects, any issues that the property may have or may have had that could impact the value of the home. Sellers are still required under Florida law to disclose anything that they know that may affect the home value, current value, or future home value based on zoning changes or property condition issues that may be coming that is not readily available to a home buyer. The buyer can request a credit from the seller after a home inspection or ask the seller to make repairs, but the seller is in no obligation to make those repairs. So for a home seller, an as-is contract allows you to sell the property as is, give the buyer the opportunity to do their inspections, but it doesn't relieve the seller from their obligation to disclose any material facts that aren't visible to a buyer. And for a buyer, it gives the buyer the opportunity to do their home inspection, which is highly recommended, and make a decision if they want to proceed with the sale or exit during the inspection period. So in conclusion, an as-is purchase agreement can be a very easy way to enter into a contract, allowing the seller some flexibility, not having to make any repairs, and also allows the buyer the flexibility of exiting out of the contract if they found something during the inspection period that doesn't fit their needs. Consult with the legal advice of an attorney or ask a real estate professional. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us via our contact page on our website. Thank you and have a good day.